In this video, I'll show you how to install the save game for NFS Payback. Check my video description for this save game. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And now go to Documents, Need for Speed Payback, Save Game, Save Games. Just delete this save game you already have, or you can pack up, create a new folder, and drag and drop this save game. And now open the save game, open save game, drag and drop this save game. Go back, open this apps. Go back and open this verbs. Select all these files, drag and drop inside, and then go back. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this INI file to desktop. Right click and select edit in notepad. Change this RU to EN, RU to US caps letter. Once you're done, select file and select save option and close stuff here and drag and drop this INI to a game folder. Replace the file the destination, and now you can launch the game, guys. And as you can see, we successfully loads the 100% save file. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.